Want to know how rich you really are? No, I'm not talking about just your salary, I'm talking about your actual net worth. Whether you want to build wealth, retire early, or just flex a little, knowing your net worth is key. And today, in just 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to calculate it. Step 1. Understanding net worth. First things first, what is net worth? It's a simple concept, everything you own minus everything you owe WE. Sounds straightforward, right? But let's dive deeper so it really clicks. Assets, what you own, this includes tangible and intangible items of value. Your home, car, cash savings, stocks, cryptocurrencies, jewelry, retirement accounts, or even that antique collection gathering dust in your attic, all these count as assets because they hold financial worth. Liabilities, what you owe, on the flip side, there are the debts or financial obligations you're responsible for. This includes your mortgage, student loans, car loans, credit card balances, personal loans, essentially, anything you have to pay back to someone else. Your net worth is like your financial snapshot. It tells you where you stand and helps you track progress over time. Building a positive net worth involves growing your assets while reducing your liabilities. So, understanding this foundation is the first step toward financial clarity and freedom. Step 2. Calculating your assets. Now it's time to roll up those sleeves and get specific. Let's break this down step by step. You can use a pen and paper, your notes app, or just keep a mental tally as we go. Start by listing all your assets, basically, everything you own that has monetary value. Here's an example. Bank balance, $5,000 car value, $15,000 investments, stocks, crypto $20,000 value, $250,000. Add it all up to get your total assets. Total assets equals $290,000. Awesome! That's your financial foundation, everything you own in one neat number. Next up, we'll tackle the other side of the equation and see what you owe. Step 3. Calculating your liabilities. Let's face it, debt isn't exactly fun to think about, but understanding it is crucial to getting a clear financial picture. Here's how to approach it step by step. Start by listing all of your liabilities, basically, any debts or financial obligations you need to repay. Here's an example. Mortgage, $180,000. Car loan, $10,000. Credit card debt, $5,000. Student loan, $15,000. Add these up to find your total liabilities. Total liabilities equals $210,000. With this number, you've completed the second half of the net worth equation. In the next step, we'll bring it all together. Step 4. The final calculation. Now comes the moment of truth. This is where we put everything together to find out your net worth. Here's how it works. Take your total assets and subtract your total liabilities. Using the example numbers. Total assets, $290,000. Total liabilities, $210,000. Calculation. $290,000 to $210,000 equals $80,000. And there you have it, your net worth is $80,000. This final figure gives you a clear understanding of your financial position. It's an essential step in tracking your progress and making informed financial decisions moving forward. Step 5. Why net worth matters and how to improve it. Your net worth isn't just a number, it's a powerful tool that shows your financial health and helps you track your progress toward financial independence. Here's how you can improve it over time. Pay down debt faster to reduce liabilities. Invest wisely in assets that grow in value over time. Increase your income through new opportunities or side hustles. Own appreciating assets, such as real estate and stocks, to build long-term wealth. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Start tracking your net worth today to take control of your financial future. Now it's your turn. Calculate your net worth and drop it in the comments, or just say, "Done," when you've figured it out. Also, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips. See you in the next one.